Greetings, viewers. Today we're embarking on an exciting culinary journey focused on detoxification and weight loss. In this comprehensive guide, we'll be unveiling not just 10 but 15 effective detox recipes that are not only delicious but also designed to rejuvenate your body and support sustainable weight loss. So, grab your aprons and get ready to revitalize your journey towards a healthier you. Before we dive into these delectable recipes, let's take a moment to understand the synergy between detoxification and weight loss. Detoxifying the body involves eliminating toxins and promoting optimal functioning of organs, while weight loss requires a balance of nutrient-dense foods and a calorie deficit. These recipes are thoughtfully crafted to support both aspects of your wellness journey. Our selection process for these detox recipes was meticulous, considering a variety of factors. Each recipe not only aids in detoxification, but also incorporates ingredients known for their weight loss-friendly properties. Top 15 Effective Detox Recipes. Green Smoothie Bowl. Kickstarting our list with a nutrient-packed green smoothie bowl, loaded with kale, spinach, cucumber, and a touch of spirulina for that extra detoxifying punch. Detoxifying lemon water. Enhance your morning routine with a simple yet effective detox recipe: warm lemon water. It aids digestion, boosts metabolism, and provides a burst of vitamin C. Cucumber Avocado Salad. Our refreshing cucumber avocado salad combines hydrating cucumbers with creamy avocados, creating a fiber-rich dish that promotes digestion and satiety. Turmeric Ginger Tea. Harness the anti-inflammatory powers of turmeric and ginger with a soothing tea. These spices aid digestion and may support weight loss efforts. Quinoa and Vegetable Stir-Fry. A protein-packed quinoa and vegetable stir-fry, rich in fiber and essential nutrients. This savory dish will keep you feeling satisfied while supporting your detox goals. Detoxifying Green Tea Smoothie. Incorporate the antioxidants of green tea into your smoothie for a metabolism-boosting, refreshing drink that aids in both detoxification and weight loss. Detoxifying Beet Juice. Harness the detoxifying properties of beets with a vibrant beet juice. Packed with vitamins and minerals, this elixir supports liver health and can aid in weight management. Chia Seed Detox Pudding. A chia seed detox pudding, combining the goodness of chia seeds with antioxidant-rich berries. This delightful treat is not only satisfying but also supports your detox journey. Detoxifying Dandelion Salad. Embrace the power of dandelion greens in a detoxifying salad. Dandelion is known for its liver-cleansing properties and can be a tasty addition to your detox routine. Detox Broccoli Soup. Warm up with a comforting detox broccoli soup, brimming with fiber and nutrients. This soup supports digestion and provides a satisfying meal for those looking to shed some pounds. Cilantro Lime Detox Water. Infuse your water with the fresh flavors of cilantro and lime for a refreshing detox beverage. This hydrating concoction can help flush out toxins and support your weight loss goals. Spicy Detox Lentil Soup. Spice things up with a detox lentil soup featuring metabolism-boosting spices like cayenne pepper. Packed with fiber and protein, this soup is a satiating option for weight-conscious individuals. Detoxifying Berry Smoothie. Savor the sweetness of berries in a detoxifying smoothie. Berries are rich in antioxidants and fiber, making this a delicious and health-promoting beverage for weight management. Detoxifying Dill Cucumber Salad. Another refreshing salad option. This dill cucumber salad combines hydrating cucumbers with the detoxifying properties of dill, creating a light and flavorful dish. Detoxifying Minty Green Juice. Conclude our list with a minty green juice, featuring refreshing ingredients like mint, cucumber, and green apples. This hydrating and nutrient-packed juice is a perfect addition to your detox routine. Mix and match these recipes throughout the week to keep your meals exciting while supporting your detox and weight loss goals. In conclusion, a journey towards sustainable weight loss can be both delicious and rejuvenating with the right recipes. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe our channel.